Hi, welcome to Power by Code. My name is Tommy. Today I'll show you how to CPU mine Etika using Linux and the Treefall Grid. I have deployed a virtual machine on the Treefall Grid with 8 cores, 4GB RAM and 25GB storage. This particular node has an AMD Ryzen 3 CPU. You may experience other kinds of CPUs when renting nodes on the Treefall Grid. If you want to see CPU stats in Linux, you can write the command ls CPU and hit enter. If you want to know more about how to deploy a virtual machine on the Treefall Grid, check out my other videos about Treefall. First, you need to download a miner. Go to the webpage github/dr83-srb-miner-multi. Click on the latest release, scroll a bit down and right click on the Linux version and copy the link. Write sudo wget and paste in the link to the miner. Unpack the file, write sudo tar-xvf and the file name of SRB miner and hit enter. Go into the folder by entering cd and the folder name. You are now ready to find a mining pool. Go to the webpage miningpoolstats.stream, search for ETI. You will now see a list of mining pools you can join. In this video I will use 0xpool.io. Time to put together the commands for the miner. First write /sbrminer-multi -disable-epu -algorithm randomx -pool and then enter the pool from the pool site you use and the --wallet, and here you enter your Etika wallet address. If you do not have an Etika wallet yet, you can check out my video about how to create an Etika wallet using MetaMask browser extension. The CPU have 8 threads and I want to use 8 of them, therefore I add the variable --cpu-threads and enter 8. The commands are now ready. Hit enter and the miner starts mining. If you want to see how much ETI you earn, go back to the mining pool website, enter your wallet address and hit enter. Note that the pool and miner need some time to adjust each other. After some time, it seems that I hit around 1.3 kHz per second. When using terminal, you may want to keep the mining process alive after quitting the terminal. For this, you can use the screen command by entering screen-s and enter a name for the screen. I enter SBR miner and hit enter. A new screen opens and you can run the miner command again. For more commands regarding screen, as how to detach and retach screens, check out some of my other videos or search on the internet. That's it, you can now CPU mine Etika using Linux and the Treefall Grid. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe button.